Maayong gabi Sugbo sa tanan natong mga kauban, mga kaigsuonan, mga kasimanwa, mga kauturan. Naimbag nga rabii, masanto siya sa labid si kayo amin. Maya pa bengi keka, marahing nabanggi sa idyo gabos, maupay nga gabi ha iyo nga tanan, maradyaw nga duyom sa idyo hurot. Buenas noches, bismillahirrahmanirrahim, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakato. Ako po si Eric Espina, ug mauni ang inyong Republika. Many episodes back, I had this guest come on board to discuss about mental health among other issues. We did talk about then presenting the unsung heroes of individuals who people can talk to when they are down, they feel depressed, they feel sad. And this is ideally called Tawag Paglaom responders. We're going to try to get to know who these individuals are. When I mean get to know them, I don't mean their identities, but what they do and the kind of service that they have rendered to many of our Cebuanos who, one way or the other, have been helped. In fact, many families should be aware of the Tawag Paglaom because I'm very sure many of these individuals have saved the lives of their loved ones. But to start off the discussion, I'm bringing back to you Dr. Rene Obra, MD. He is both physician and psychiatrist. Mayong adlaw, mayong gabi.
Yes, Eric, mayong adlaw, mayong gabi. Ug daghang kayong salamat sa imong pag-invitar nako back to this Republika.
Yes, kay natay kasabutan nga ato gining tutukan ning gitawag natong mga responders sa Tawag Paglaom.
Yes, we have responders Tawag Paglaom. Kini sila may mga tao nga makatabang yun sa katong mga kaigsunan nato nga for some reasons medyo naanay mga suicidal thoughts o naana sila yung mga ideas nga gusto na nilang kutloon og dali ang ilang kinabuhi. So swerte ta din sa Sugbo, Eric, nga naatan na ning grupo ha. Kay dili tanang lugar din sa Pilipinas gibutangan aning gitawag natog Tawag Paglaom. Bisdak kay ni siya nga pinulungan.
Yes.
We copy this from the kanang English nga pinulungan nga suicide hotline, no?
Okay.
Mao gini sila. Ug natay mga responders nga gitrain gini siya along this line to do something about kal mga kaigsunan nato nga nawad-an nagpaglaom maning kinabuhi. Ug akong balik-balikon sa pag-ingon din isip usa ka medical doctor specializing in the field of psychiatry nga kining depression, kining anxiety normal ra gani siya nga occurrence sa atong kinabuhi, Eric. Normal ra gani ang anxiety ug depression kanus amni siya mahimong disorder. Kung ang atong anxiety ug depression makaapekto na sa atong activities of daily living, meaning to say nga dili na ka pwedeng mohimo sa imong routine na ng mga adlaw o sa mga adlaw nga moabot tungod sa imong anxiety of depression. Pero mingon ka nga, naunsa namang kudok, nabuang nako kay nako anxiety of depression. No. Kitang tanan na ani ana.
Muagi gyud ana.
Muagi ta ni ana kung nasa sa ka sitwasyon nga dili ta komportable, bago para nato ug dili ka sigurado kung unsa may mahitabo nimo few hours, few days after.
Dak, pangutanon ikaw, I'll ask you, unsa may diferensya sa anxiety ug depression?
Okay, very good question. Anxiety is more on, para na siya fear ba? Ang akong masabtan ta sa itong mga televiewers, kala mo yung katag nahadlok ka, there's an identifiable reason kanong nahadlok ka. Pero ang anxiety is more vague. Na kay mga unusual gipamati sa mong lawas is because of uncertainties. Okay? Ang depression is more on the emotional side with mood.
Pwede nimo tawgon ka ng anxiety murag nag-worry ka.
Na-worry ka.
Warrior ka.
Nahigwaos ka. Mo tiguro
Okay.
ni pinulungan sa Cebuano.
Oo.
So nahigwaos ka, na-worry ka, nabalaka ka.
Okay.
Okay. Kung mayong ka kanang depression is more on the emotional side of it. Kita magod as a human being, kuan magod ta. Emotional ta nga creature of God, no?
Yes.
Emotional ta. Nga naay mga rason dali tang mahiubos.
Oh.
Muhilak ta.
Oh.
And the same way nga mukatawa ta, mahappy ka if there is a valid reason.
O sakto bang sakto ba ning pulungan ni nga kung atong istoryahan kabahin sa anxiety, mas lower level ni ang mas kuyaw ka ng depression na. Kaya nagkaano mo ka saka.
Yes, but just like Buanaro, akong dictor na sa mga medical students, ang anxiety and depression, it will most of the time go hand in hand.
Okay.
Because nobody will be happy if you are anxious. And in the
Okay.
same way that your body will be kanang feel good if you are depressed.
Okay, unsa may symptoms sa anxiety?
Yeah, anxiety is na kay mga paningot.
Okay.
Paningot sa mga muusab ang imong tingog, magkurug-kurug ka. Mura kag there's a fullness sensation in your anterior chest.
Okay,
No?
di ka katog.
Di ka katog.
Oh.
Irritable ka.
Oh.
Unya, muluwer ang imong concentration or focus.
Okay.
So therefore, you are more prone to develop gross mistakes in your workplace.
Aha.
O kung estudyante ka, muluwer ang imong academic performance.
Okay.
So, kuan ka, kanang dili ka mahimutang, dili ka maka-stay in one place for longer time.
Mhm.
So, mo na yung mga, basically, mga signs and symptoms of depression. Ngadto sa atong mga televiewers, basig mayon mo, unsam ng sign, unsam ng symptom. Kabisa kung mga estudyante, maglibog niya na.
Oh, unsam man ang sign ug symptom,
So, kag sign, Eric,
Oh.
it's more of objective. Unsa may makitaan sa usa ka tawo ngadto sa anang tawhana.
Okay.
Objective ba?
Sign, oh nga,
sign na siya.
murag nabalaka ka kay laing tao, third person when nagsulti.
Yes.
Oo.
Mo kag symptom, that is subjective.
Okay.
I feel bad.
Oh, na.
Batik ka kung paminaw sa lawas.
Okay.
That is symptom. Dili na siya makita sa doktor.
Oo.
Isulti na sa pasyente ngadto sa doktor.
Oo.
So mao na siya ang difference.
Very
na
important
nagka-
difference na. Oo.
Yes, very basic, but most of us doesn't know the difference between the two.
Pero Doc, pangutan unti ka, no? Pwede ba kang ma-anxious pero di ka ma-depress?
Pwede.
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 Okay.
Pwede sa kag ma-depress pero di ka ma-anxious.
Pwede din nga.
Pwede. Pero ako nang ginaingon, most of the time this will go hand in hand.
Okay,
Ha?
unsa may symptoms sa depression?
Sa depression is worry, mood, and affect nimo is depressed. Again, ang mood is subjective, affect is objective. Unya, you have these negative thoughts. You no longer like those things that you used to enjoy prior to the onset of depression. And we call that anhedonia. Example,
Ah,
you love to go to window shopping.
okay.
O katong mga sports-minded, you love to play basketball, volleyball, tennis. For all of a sudden, you no longer enjoy all these activities.
Aha.
That's what we call anhedonia. And then you have insomnia or hypersomnia.
Okay.
You have increased or
Sleeping.
poor appetite.
How about sleeping? Too much
Sleeping.
sleeping?
Yeah, katong insomnia o hypersomnia. Insomnia is a medical term which means inability to sleep.
Okay.
Hypersomnia is a medical term which means longer time of sleep.
Sige ka katulog.
Oh, napaganing ito nog narcolepsy. Daytime sleepiness.
Okay.
Panahon sa adlaw, duka gyud ka. We call that narcolepsy.
Oo.
No? Unya napay gikuan to irritable ka.
Okay.
Bisag gamay rang rason mo flare up dayon ka, musuko dayon ka. Bisag
Okay.
dili angay.
Oo.
Unya mura kag bitaw ka ng tao bitaw nga mangita gyud mistake kanang mangita kag bikil ba?
Oo.
Ay mayon ana.
Fault finding.
Fault finder. Oo.
Posible nga reclusive ka.
Yes.
Pwede bang kung ang nakay anxiety reclusive ka, pwede pog depressed ka, reclusive po ka, di ka gustong daghang tawo.
Yes. There are people who love to enjoy indoor sports, no?
Yes, yes.
Like computer lang yun, no? But there are those who love to enjoy outdoor sports, no? Extrovert. We call that extrovert out and introvert in.
Okay.
But we don't say, I don't say nga abnormal ko kung ang imong mga activities indoor lang yun, no? Na may mga tao nga introvert, but they love their life, no? They enjoy their life.
Naabay may tawag nato nga depression na nag-experience og depression nga daghang mga amigo gusto mo gawas-gawas. Never, no?
Most of the
Usually,
time,
ma-introverted
kung
yun na
depressed
sila.
ka, you will have to inhibit yourself to be with other people.
Oh, murag introverted ka, no?
Oh, mukaan ka. You will isolate yourself.
Oo.
Isolate, withdrawn ka, di na kami kahalubilo. Sa una, very outspoken ka, very friendly, but all of a sudden, withdrawn na ka. Ang tawag na to sa Binisaya, o mo distansya na ka sa mga amigo. Di na ka na magkikistorya.
Oo.
Mga na atong maobserbahan. Unya, ang pinaka-endline gud ani Eric kato sa atong mga televiewers is you have suicidal thoughts.
Okay.
And then some of them doesn't only have suicidal thoughts but also suicidal acts. And this is the reason why we have the Tawag Paglaom in Cebu. I do not know what is here in Cebu that according to the national statistics, we have the most number of suicidal people nga reported, no?
Diin sa Cebu?
Diin sa Cebu.
Cebu City mismo or Cebu Province?
Cebu Province. The most likely site is the Mactan Bridge.
Okay.
Ano ko ko sa mga doktor sa Amerika, the most likely site nga mag-suicide ang mga tao dito sa Amerika is the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oo.
In fact, di po sa harang-harang sa site sa Golden Gate. Pero maapan ang giga po bukatkat.
Musaksak.
Bukatkat.
Dini sa ato, wala nagibuhat, no?
Wala man tayo harang-harang, pero daghan mo maambak na sa Mactan Bridge.
Tapos sa abroad, magbutang sila camera din na. Kaya nagani sila makitaan nga murag nag alang-alang, gawas nga ng mga pulis sa hayana.
Yes.
Oo.
Unya, very alarming. Murag makabalibaw sa balhibo, Eric. Why?
Oo nga.
Because in the Philippines, suma sa among pagtipon-tipon sa among as mga psychiatrists, sa Philippines alone in every 3.5 hours, I repeat, in every 3.5 hours, usa ka Pilipino mamatay because nag-suicide.
Okay.
Just can you imagine how many Filipinos will die in one day?
Aha. Tinood yun na,
Tinood na siya, Unya may nga, wala gimahurot ang mga tao sa Pilipinas, Dok. Daghan masang matao. Daghan masang matao. So di, yung mahurot.
Kisa may mas daghang mamatay, ang babae o lalaki mag-suicide?
Very good question.
Ah.
Daghan ang lalaki mamatay of the suicide to the ratio of 4:1.
Okay.
Pero daghan ang mga babae nga mo attempt og suicide, the same ratio, 4:1. Meaning to say nga mga babae is more of an attention getter. Na ako'y mga pasyente nga kung sa may mong giinom, kanang mga tao sa bukid, kanaman na sila yung mga organophosphate, kanang malatayon, because this is the one they use to spray their flowering plants,
yes.
mango, so na sila in their household.
Mga pesticide po,
Matulog ka to nga ng mga organophosphate, i-dilute og 1 gallon of water, it was not really meant to kill themselves or herself, but just to attract the attention of the other members of the family, that they will be the one to decide whether she will continue to live or not.
So you mean to say there are 4 men most likely to commit suicide as against one female?
Female. And the opposite is true to attempted suicide. Kaya the method mga gamiton sa mga lalaki.
So you mean to say mas successful ang mga lalaki?
Yes.
Ang mga babae, nagduha-duha pa, hinay pa.
O sa may mga method gamiton sa mga lalaki, magpusil, magdunggab, muambak sa taas nga pangpang. Wala. So, makamatay yun. Pero ang mga babae, mainom og grabing alcohol, shampoo, di man nakamatay dayon, madapa man ka sa ospital. So, it's more of a, more like yung among author sa among hospital, rather libro nga, ang kanak ko ng suicide, especially among the women, is a form of psychodrama wherein the other members of the family will have to decide whether they will continue to live or not.
Kanang bitay?
Kanang bitay, common among men.
Dili kayo sa babae?
Dili kayo. Basta ka ng babae, more on overdose o paracetamol.
Okay.
May lang ba? Nga dili kayo good ingon tag makamatay good.
Dili kayo sigurado ng gustong magpakamatay?
Yes. Ang mga lalaki man good, kasagaran sa mga lalaki, kanang dili kayo outspoken. I mean, una na problema, lalaki good. Inisog. Inisog. So iluom lang. So that's why I will advise the listeners, before we will interact with the responders, that if you have problems, and nobody don't have a problem, all of us has a problem. We need to share this problem to somebody who is a good listener, non-judgmental, somebody who is a little bit superior than we are in terms of age and educational attainment, somebody who is kanang ka-empathize sa imong sitwasyon, and the most important is somebody who can keep confidential informations.
Okay.
Kaya kung imo nang i-share sa usa ka tawo nga chismoso sa iyong barangay, ulabay ka na sa eskina sa iyong barangay, himuon kang sumsuman silang inom. So, na nga, I'll suggest nga, open up ta.
Nabay mga, we're going to pause for a few reminders and I'll just leave this question with Doc, no? Nabay mga bata nga at a very young age, murabag ilang sakito nila ilang kaugalingon. For whatever purpose, when Republica returns. Balik atong programang Republika. Nagbabalik po ating programang Republika. We're still talking to Dr. Rene Obro, who happens to be an MD and at the same time a psychiatrist. May hanging question. Mga bata, what is the youngest recorded na murag nag-suicide?
Yeah, maybe you can ask our responders later on based on our statistics. But in our studies, ang usa ka bata, mahibaw na siya nga death is a permanent thing pag edad niya 7 years old.
Okay.
Okay? daghan because more than one.
Are there 7-year-olds, 8-year-olds that will hurt themselves because of whatever reason?
Yes. In fact, ako minulban kato sa bantayan.
Oo.
They hung themselves, namatay gutong duha because for some reason they were not promoted to the next higher level sa ilang maestro.
Is there a difference between boy and girl?
Yeah, common
At a young age, at a young age.
fatal age at boy. Kanang mga lalaki.
Ang fatal ang sa lalaki, ang sa babae.
Ang babae is more on the attempt. No?
Okay.
So katong sa bantayan, naghang ito sila, namatay good because they were bullied by their classmates because they were not promoted to the next higher grade.
How about children who hurt themselves and are not suicidal?
Yes, there are those, we call that para-suicidal.
Para-suicidal.
Self-mutilate. The
Okay.
purpose is not to kill themselves but to self-mutilate and
Okay.
and let their parents feel bad about it. Feel guilty about it.
Why?
For some reason, more of a rebellious reason.
Okay.
They were scolded for some reasons, tapos they cannot get back at their parents for obvious reason. So they will self-mutilate. Ang uban, mag-slash og blade. Maraming ako yung advice ba nga, kung makakita mo sa kabata nga mag-slash, do not make jokes by saying, ayaw diya sa imong rest, dire sa imong iliog.
Oo.
Because they might remember your joke. No?
What's the other forms aside from
The other form is overdose.
overdose?
Oh,
Okay.
the other form is
Will they bite themselves? Will they slap themselves?
yes, they will hurt themselves in
Okay.
some whatever way they can, no?
Okay.
And I think our responders can add more about this, Eric, because
Okay.
sila magud ang inunta frontliners, no?
Frontliners, yes.
So maybe we can ask our responders.
Atong ipaila-ila ang atong gitawag nga tawag paglaom responders. And mga pseudonym na lang ni din ato ipakita gid ilang mga nawong, ilang mga dagway. Maski maanyag pa sila. Basta ang atong itawag lang nila Zoe, Mia ug Tina. Okay, mayong kuan, mayong adlaw, may gabi kaninyo whichever time you are looking. So please can Zoe acknowledge?
Mayong hapon.
Okay, and then si Mia,
Yes, hello. Good afternoon.
and then Tina.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon.
Okay. So, ang first question na po ninyo, no, kalibang more or less, how long have you been in the kuan as responders?
So kami kay lain-lain mi na year na nasulod sa program na uban namo na has been there since the beginning na 2015 and others have been added last year on the other earlier years.
Okay. Why did you get into wanting to be part of this? You know, this is a heroic job, no? A Herculean job, if I might say so. Naman ay sud mo mo aning nagklasihan pagtabang sa mga katawhan.
Because we believe mental health should be an advocate nowadays. So kami ni dawat mi ani nga trabaho na tigpaminaw mi og mga tawo nga naay problema para pod kay naay maminaw sa ilaha, makatabang mi na bisag naminaw lang mi kay makapagawas sila sa ilang mga gibati.
Anybody of you, of course, can take turns answering the same question. By the way, anybody can just jump in.
For me, siguro, Sir Eric, I think it's a calling for me because in line with my job, so my previous work was all about, I was dealing with the school as a guidance advocate. So, as transferred here in Cebu, so I tried kanang murag calling sad di siguro nako to help those mental health nga murag advocate na sad nako nga mutabang sa ubang tao.
How about others? Basically the same answer.
Advocate, sad sir, and then kanang more on sa ko ang sa ako is personal reason. Kay I've been in the situation na kanaang I need someone nga maka maminaw sa ako and then in return aside sa work more of kanang personal accomplishments sad na nakatabang ko sa other na mga tao na makapagawa sa ilahang problema na makagaan sa ilang gibati na problema.
Well, I nakamatikod ko na yung for personal reasons kay marabag. Were you depressed before also and then more nausap ka o during nga?
Makarelate ko in a way because I've been in kanang before na I needed someone to talk to unya kana ang wala gali kay makuhaan na person na you can trust. So sa caller makarelate ko in a way na kanang at least sa hotline sa tawag paglaom hotline, they can kanang express themselves gali.
Usually kung utawag sila, kanibang
What jumps out of your mind? Kanag yung mugawas dahil sa inyong una-una ba nga, murag di ninyo makalimtan. I mean, I'll ask all three of you, no? Was it male? Was it female? What is the age? And what was basically the problem?
Para sa ako is mostly jud if you kanang encounter high risk cases, sir, na they are kanang in a emotional crisis jud pagtawag sa hotline.
how do you know they're high risk? Pagtawag pa lang nila.
Oo, emotional na sila. And they are kanang murag agitated na kanang you can feel kanang sa ilang voice na kanang nangurog sila.
Okay. And then do they tell you actually that they want to hurt themselves, they want to commit suicide? Do they actually say that to you?
Yes.
Okay. How about the others?
For me, siguro,
Nakay di mo malimtan nga murabag nahitabo gid mo nga murabag ning dituan gyud mong alipatakan ba nga I remember this incident.
because even if naka-base lang sa Cebu ang tawag paglaom, we take calls nationwide. So, in my year of experience sa tawag paglaom, ang pinakamutatak na cause especially is when bipolar ang mga manawag sa amua and mo declare sila na they have this tendency na instead of hurting themselves, ilahang anak, ilahang pasakitan, inana. So, medyo bugat gid siya nga problem. Mutatak siya sa amua, it's because you cannot realize ba nga people are just sitting in their homes but then deep inside, mauna day ni nagdagan silang hunahuna. Nga imbis di nila ganan pat yun ilang anak, dili sila kabantay nga ilahan na day gibuhat.
Kaning imo giingon nga incident, can this also apply to the husband? Di lang children kay bipolar, they would also like to hurt their husband, awayon ang husband or whatever.
Naapod may uban callers, sir, na inana sila nga every people around them kay there's a possibility nga ilahang mapasakitan without them fully knowing.
Is this usually physical violence or is this emotional, I might call it emotional terrorism?
Usually sa among madawat kay maabot gid siya og physical violence.
Okay. And then the third one, was there ever a child who called you up? How young was the youngest and how old was the oldest?
Well, for me, Sir Eric, wala ko naka-encounter og kanang bata gyud. But in my experience, nakoy kanang high-risk call, which I consider high-risk gyud because he was calling, actually, he's from Manila, and then kanang ready na gyud na gyud siya act to do it because he's having a breakdown. And then especially the caller was a male, so high risk gid kaayo ang mga males compared to females. So kanang nanagid siya kanang will nga kanang muambak siya sa bridge, and then he has a gun with him and a knife as well. So it's really hard pud, but we really tried our best to kanang prevent his act to do suicide. So we give interventions as responders.
Those that will call you up, mostly male, vis-a-vis female?
Sa statistics na mo, Sir Eric, most callers na mo is female. Mas dagan ang female because they're more vocal sa ilang emotions. But we have also number of callers sa males, but mas daghan gyud ang females.
Let me ask you, in your experience, mas effective ba, let's say, ang lalaki mo tawag and then babae ang tingog ng madungog nila?
It depends siguro, Sir Eric. Dili siguro na magpareha if unsa, if kana. Pero I think mas comfortable sila sa talking with females. Kay naagi uban callers nga male nga murag mangita sila ug kanang female nga responder. Which is comfortable sila mo storya.
About females who are high risk, do you see any gender here? Texture when it comes to, do they prefer talking to another woman na kasabot yun nila, or do they prefer a more masculine voice or more fatherly? What is it?
So far sa ako wala pa ko nakasulay na lalaki ang caller and then they would prefer na pwede lalaki ako ang kaistorya.
How about kung babae ang mutawag? Would they prefer a male voice?
So far sad, sir, wala pa sad ko kasulay na female and then they would prefer na makikstorya sa lalaki.
Okay. I'll ask all three of you. Run us through. So mukiring ang inyong cellphone. And then you say hello. What do you say? I mean,
We say,
walk us through.
like for example, if it's morning, we say good morning, you're calling Tawag Paglaom, Centro Bisaya, and then we say our name.
Okay,
How
and
can
then
we help you?
Yun na, that's how it
Yeah,
goes.
yes, sir.
And then how does it begin? How is it initiated? Are they crying right away? Are they angry?
Are they agitated? Are they saying I'm about to commit suicide? How does it go?
It depends with the caller. If it's high risk and then if it is emotional, we try to kanang we try to wait until nga kanang murag makalma na siya. And then we ask kana ang what is this problem, ang sayahang problema, nganong naghilak siya. And then if mo open up sila na kanang they are having kanang suicidal thoughts, and then we ask unsa na paagi. And then we ask
Do you ask them what causes that emotion? Is it family problems? Is it business loss? Kung ano sa man, kanibang loss of faith? What are the usual reasons?
yes, we ask. We ask what is the reason behind it, kanang something happened recently na naka-trigger sa ilang sadness or kanang emotional distress nila. And then mostly sa amoa lang sa sense sa statistics namo, relationship problem kasagaran mo ang reason, especially kanang sa mga high risk kanang cases, relationship problem ang kuan ang
So
reason
you mean to
nila.
say, ang babae ang mas daghang murag problema sa kasing-kasing?
Dili sad ko ka tubag kung daghan or asay mas kanang labaw.
Ang lalaki na apoy
naman
magsuwis-
sad may callers nga
Lalaki nga
kana ang gibuwag emotional kuan sad siya crisis kay gibulagan sad siya.
Unsa man ni, boyfriend, asawa, bana?
Boyfriend or kanang asawa, sir.
Okay, and then usually how long, average lang, they talk to you about 5 minutes, and then when do you come in? When do you start advising them? Or basta maminaw na lang mo?
Okay.
Anyone can jump in, ha?
So usually sir, just like therapy sessions, although dili mi mohatag, naa jud siya limit nga the longest call we can take is only an hour. But on average sa amo ang calls is it takes about 25 to 30 minutes per caller.
You just let them continuously talk, no?
Koan sir, we also have to navigate kay for example
Oh.
if problematic man ko kay ang person na ay tendency nga balik-balik ra gyud iyang iingon throughout panagsa, it's the same problem for 5 minutes. So naagian man namo sa mong training unsaon namo pagsulod, unsa among iingon para ma-divert bitaw ang attention para mo transfer na pod og lain problem ba para makadungog sila namo. But however, if there are callers na very agitated jud kaayo sir kay night times nga magtando lang mi or mo amo magud siyang i-gauge, depende gid siya sa caller if kanang makapenetrate ba kaniya, kanang does the caller only need an ear to listen, do they need kanang advice, although we do not really condone to advice giving alone, kay we do our best that the caller realizes what he or she should do rather than kami ang musugo sa ilaha.
Okay, I will ask you this, no? Has it ever happened that you accept a call and the person is already, how would I call it, hurting himself, drinking something, about to shoot himself? I'll ask this of all three of you.
Yes, sir. As a responder, daghan na gid kay kog na-encounter nga. As what I have said earlier, nga na ako'y caller nga katong naggunit na siya kanang pusil, na siya'y knife with him, and then ready na sad siya mo ambak. So, kato siya, murag, grabe kay to siya naagian sad. And then mostly gyud is males gyud siya. As what Doc Obra said, mas grabe gyud ang kanang tendency sa male nga ila gyud ibuhato ng ilahang kuan, ang ilang will nga mag-suicide. And then another caller said is
Nabay nahitabo nga, kanag yung namatay yun sa linya?
wala ko naka-encounter na Sir Eric. But
Or
na
kanag yung
ako'y
niinom nagtambal o niinom nagkuan?
na ako'y
Hilo.
caller sad nga kanang male sad to siya nga he said na he bought Zonrox to ihang giingon kanang Zonrox nga kanang naa na gyud na daw sa iyong kamot nga ready na gyud daw niya imnon. So I tried to divert ang iyang hunahuna nga dili gyud niya mabuhat ang iyang giplano.
In short, nobody died on the line. That's what you're saying.
Yes. based on my experience.
Sa inyong tulo, wala so far, which is a good thing, no? Wala pa, wala.
Wala sad.
Okay, we're gonna pause for a few reminders. When we come back, we'll try to talk to all three again regarding navigating and diverting, no, the people that they talk to and what kind of training do they get, and then we'll try to get back to, of course, to Dr. Obra also to get some further statements when Republica returns. Okay, nagbabalik po ating programang Republika. Kausap pa rin natin si Dr. Rene Obra, MD, o apil sa dinhi ang atong tawag paglaom mga responders. No? Dr. Obra, I always hear bipolar. Daghang kayo mga artista sa abroad nga bipolar. I'm sure siguro din daghang kayo bipolar. Usa gyud ang bipolar kay mga ubang tawo wa kasabot usa man ang bipolar.
Yes, anay mga artista has been diagnosed as bipolar.
Mm.
Ang kini magong bipolar, as the name implies, two pools. Depression and mania. So what can we expect?
Usa man ang manya.
Yes. Elated, expansive, irritable mood.
Okay.
One triad of mania, elated, expansive, irritable mood. Ang katong depression, katong akong gingon, nga katong di na makatulog, depressed ang iyang
So elated, depression ug unsa pa?
elated, expansive, irritable mood. Mao na
Okay.
siya mania.
Okay.
Yeah, for some reasons, in any time of the day, this will goes down, and the opposite is depression. So that's why we call that bipolar, because it is a mood swing between mania and depression.
Mura na siya kuan, init ug bugnaw nga
Yes,
klaro
yes.
gyud kayo.
Oo,
Klaro
oo.
gyud ang pag-usab.
Yes, and this is treatable,
Treatable.
no? Naatay mga
Nanay tambal
naatay tambalani, daghang kay tag mga tambalani
nga para mo relax.
para ma-normalize. So akong explain sa akong mga audience nga just imagine that the patient has diabetes.
Okay.
Sa diabetes, para masabtan ko ninyo, ang blood sugar level mo shoot up, diabetic ka.
Okay.
Pero kung goes down siya, hypoglycemic ka.
Okay.
So the same is true in mental health. Kung ang imong neurotransmitters, especially dopamine and serotonin mo goes up,
Mm.
manic ka,
Okay.
restless ka.
Oo.
But it will goes down for some reasons, depressed ka.
I heard somebody say, no, di lang ako nganlan, yun nga, nakainom nagkape muna, karon ni gawa sa iyong pagka-bipolar. Posible
Ayan,
na.
because coffee has a caffeine, and caffeine is like shabu, it is an stimulant.
So makuan ka, mura kang ma-bipolar po.
There is what we call caffeineism, no?
Okay.
Nakikita caffeine mo overdo. Anything in excess is dangerous, no?
Okay.
So anyway, we're talking about kanang suicidal, depressed, 50%, 50% sa mga tao nga nag-suicide or nagunahuna pag-suicide, walay history, walay diagnosable psychiatric problem.
Okay.
It just happened.
Posibleng bipolar ni sila.
Posible. Posible sa siya nga drug user.
Okay.
Because one of the manifestation of a shabu user, ang daghan kay din sa ato sa Sugbo, sa Pilipinas, shabu users, is the kanang taas nga dopamine. Because shabu, methamphetamine hydrochloride, is a dopaminergic. What does this mean? This can shoot up the dopamine level. So that's why the shabu user will mimic or will manifest the same signs and symptoms, the same as that of the person with schizophrenia. O
Okay.
kanang grabe na nga mental problem, no?
Oo.
Mga nangadaghan kitag mga pasyente nga mga shabu user nga makunahunag suicide is because they are responding to command hallucinations.
Kaning bipolar, ni kuyanap na ni karon sa atong panahon.
Daghan because alarming.
Ha?
Alarming.
What's causing that?
It's a biopsychosocial. Something to do with the genetics, as the environment, and drug related ang uban.
Okay. So pwede ka ma-suicidal.
Pwede ka ma-suicidal, I repeat, because
Wow.
there are times that they will be responding to command hallucinations. Hallucination is either auditory, olfactory, gustatory, tactile, nga kumara mo sa atong five senses ba,
Oo.
no? Nga mo manifest ni ani because abnormal ang level sa dopamine sa atong utok.
Pero na levels of bipolarism. Grabe kayo, na hindi kayo grabe.
bipolar 1, na bipolar 2.
So, aduhara na siya.
Gani tagas pa na 3 4 maglabad na mga estudyante pag memorize sa gunsa, no?
Okay.
Ang differential lang sa bipolar 1 and 2 is that sa bipolar 2 ang functionality sa person is higher compared to the bipolar 1.
When you mean functionality, ang iyang murag kuan.
Socially, occupationally and personally, nga they can do at a certain level
Oo.
their activities of daily living kumpara sa bipolar 1.
Na kay mga kailang politiko nga bipolar?
Na
Na. Okay. Sige.
naay mga doctors, naay mga lawyers, naay mga artista, naay mga politiko.
Ang importante ma-diagnosis nila nga na sila.
Yes, oo.
And then mo inom sila tambala na.
Oh, pwede man. But
Depende sa kagrabe.
depende sa kagrabe. So nobody can claim that I am immune.
Oo.
Nga wala possibility nga mahimo kong
Bipolar.
emotional or
Oo,
bipolar.
oo.
Kitang tanan as a human being, we are all at high risk or at risk.
Pero basta ang klaro sa bipolar is more bag hot and cold. Makita nimo ang kuan gyud klaro gyud kayo.
Yes. Makita nimo.
Mo adjust dayon.
Yes. Nya
Okay.
usa kuno sa manifestation na Eric kanang mga bipolar, kanang mga manik,
Oh.
color matching. Gawas kong uniform sa company o sa school.
Oh.
Pero kung dili sa uniform sa company, kung sa example,
Oh.
yellow ang kalo, yellow ang yellow tanan.
Di murag
Basta-
murag usig gyapon na.
mo rin
May pagka-OC.
magpagka obsessive compulsive.
Yun na. Okay, sige. Balik na sa ato mga kuan. Tawag paglaom responders. Okay. I was talking about training just to, make the callers feel comfortable. Unsay mga training ninyo kuan, Joey, Mia, Tina?
So sa amo sir, since we are affiliated with Department of Health, sila ang pinaka-grabe mohatag namo og trainings in order to unsaon namo pag-handle og calls, and also maka-receive pod mi og training for kanang mga disaster responses.
Okay. So, kuan unsa mo mga psych graduates mo unsa may kuan?
Mostly sa amo ay psychology graduate, sir.
Okay. So, come on. Okay. And then now next, ang next question ako is how do you divert? How do you divert somebody who's about to commit suicide? What do you say? How do you handle that?
Oo, so if the call is high risk, tapos mag-declare ang caller na naan na niya ang any method. So for example, for people nga nay blades or padulong sila mo inom og kanang mag-overdose, kay we try our best to convince the caller na kanang magstorya sa ta, kanang ibutang sa kuno na imuhang gikuptan, kanang naaba kay mataguan nga lugar ani, especially sa mga blade, kanang matago ba ninimo. So murag storyahon gud namo sila og tarong nga makapaminaw sila namo, and usually pod with our training og awong naagian pod maminaw pod ni sila. Ipadaplin gud ni nila ilang weapons, ilahang mga tambal nga ganahan imnon.
Okay. And then the others can come in at any time, by the way. When you talk about diverting or after diverting or navigating, nabanay sa inyong training marabag na sinugdan paghuman ang ending inana.
Usually kay naagid siya, we have a call flow. Although dili gyud ni siya strict nga mauni siya imong giingon, it's because dapat man ka makibagay si mong caller, but with the kanang knowledge pod kanang behind psychology is dapat makahibaw bitaw mi. It's naagid siya sa caller sir, kanang specifically kay kami ang dapat makahibaw kanus ami mo sud, kanus ami mo end of call.
Do you feel helpless sometimes? I mean, all three of you. Were there times ka murabag usa may buhaton nako ani kay murabag helpless ta ka kayo ba? Desperate.
Naay times, sir, labi na ang caller is lalaki unya high risk. Naay times nga mangita jud kag paagi na unsaon nimo makapenetrate sa iyaha na kanaang kung unsa imong i-suggest or ihatag na options is makasabot siya na dili niya ipadayon ang gusto niya nga suicide. Mostly manggod sa observations nako, labi na ang caller lalaki is arriesgado kay sila mobuhat og kanang kung nakahuna-huna nagali sila na kanang mag-suicide sila.
Okay. Do some of your callers say that I'm a father, I'm a PWD, I'm homosexual, I'm LGBT?
Yes,
Kulinana
sir.
ba?
PWD, LGBT.
Okay. Mga kanang mga amahan
Naapod.
nga magkuhan sila. And it's usually related to family or business?
Marital ang problems nila, sir. If it's kanang sa lalaki and then kanang they're married, mostly is about kanang sa marital problems.
How about sa mga, usa may kadaghanang problema sa mga babae? Is it failure in school? Is it because of the husband? Is philandering? Unsa may mga kuan? Possible causes?
Mostly, sir, problems sa mga females arises gid sa kanang relationship problems. Mo ginay common sa ilaha. relationship problems. Napoy uban nga career, nasay uban nga kanang murag family problems, but mostly is relationship problems.
What's the number of kana bang callers that you handle usually in your watch? How many unsa mo 8 hours mo kada usa, 3 hours kada usa, and then how many calls do you handle?
Yes, we do shifting kuan, sir. And then, mostly, ang calls gid na mo arises between 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Mas daghan gyud ang calls ana compared to 6 to 2 and 10 to 6.
And then so more or less, what's the average? Give us an idea. What is the average of number of calls that you receive? I mean, individually and then collectively.
So as a whole, sir, we are bringing statistics.
Oo.
So amo lang ni siyang medyo
Yes, yes.
i-run through.
Oo.
So for the entire years from 2015 up to 2019 month of May, we already received 2,774 calls. So 681 ani kay mga lalaki, unya 1,324 ani kay mga babae, unya 27 ra ang ni-declare na LGBT sila. And most of that time, sakto to ang giingon sa akong kauban no, na 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. gyud murag sa amo ang grafting kay moabot gid siya 35%, 40% inana gid, sir.
Has anybody called up among the individuals that you talk to? Nga kana bang uy, pasalamat ko nimo kay kana bang natabangan ko nimo, and they're very appreciative or for the help that you extended.
Naa, sir. Naad kana daghan. Naasad mi caller na kana ang we can kanang amo sila term og repeat caller.
What do you mean by a repeat caller?
They've kanang called the hotline kanang sa kadaghan na jud na times.
And what? They're still transfixed about self-kuan.
Sa case lain man o kanang cases, but kanang sa naami kanang mga repeat nangita lang gali sila jud o kanang kaistoryaan.
Okay. Do you ever refer them to their parents? No, you don't, no? Murag basig sila may problema mismo ang parents, no?
So,
Oo, dili mi mo tawag sa ilahang parents. For example, if minor ang caller, sir,
Oo.
and inig-ask na mo na, can you talk to your parents? Can
Oo.
you talk to your siblings? And if mo na sila nga dili, because dili open-minded ilahang family or
Oo.
family problem siya mismo, we always refer them to their guidance counselor
Oo.
in school. And mo explain mi nga, kaninyong guidance, dili ra na siya admin. Maminaw gid na siya sa inyo ha. And if ganahan mo nga kanang ma-refer mo to a hospital, bring someone you can trust, probably older than you. But mo try gid mi nga parents gid unta dapat.
How young was the youngest call that you received?
Sa amo ang record, sir, we had 12 years old na manawag sa amo.
Babae, lalaki?
Both, sir, both male and female. Usually if in ani ka young kay it's an issue sa school, mga bullying inana.
Okay. Nothing with regards to their parents.
Usually, sir, problems with parents kay mo range siya from mga 15 padung 25 or 30 na agya po yung manawag about parents gyapon siya.
And then the eldest, the oldest that ever tried to seek for your help?
Ay nakadawat na mig 65 and above, sir.
65 meaning up to, what do you mean by above?
Namanggoy uban, sir, maikog sila og divulge silang age. Mingon sila nga, ay basta 65 and above lang, ma'am or sir.
Okay. And then at those ages, what would be the problems?
Usually, it's a bit shocking siguro no for our listeners or viewers. Marital problems gihapon at that very age.
Marital gyapon at that age.
Mm-mm.
Okay. How about HIV patients and AIDS patients? Do they call you up also?
naami caller nga HIV, sir.
And then, do they divulge that they are HIV positive?
Mosulti jud sila na HIV positive sila.
Mhm. When it comes to the LGBT community, what is the common cause why they want to destroy themselves or self-destruct?
Mostly is kanang acceptance, sir, niya sa ang family is dili open sa ilahang gender preference.
Okay. Okay, we only have 2 minutes, so I'll ask each of you a question, more or less, I'll leave you with a question, then I'll go to Dr. Obra. Please address the audience, each one of you, why are you in this kind of a profession? And number 2, how precious is life for all 3 of you?
To all the listeners, life is so precious good, no? So dili gid nato sayangan ang atong kinabuhi kay kitang tanan, we humans, we do have lots of imperfections, we do have lots of flaws. So dili ra gid ikaw, you are not alone. Kanang tanan gid ta natin agian, so we should stand up, we should be strong, and then kanang dapat nagid tay trust sa Ginoo nga maglig-on gyud ta nga mapadayon nato ang mga kaning ma-overcome nato tanan mga struggles nga naabot sa atong kinabuhi.
So to all the viewers and listeners, sometimes it's okay not to be okay. There are times na malugmok jud mo og problema, you can rest. The biggest struggle siguro is never give up. Bisag unsa pa siguro ka dako or ka grabe inyong problem, there will always be a solution, but please hold on lang sa we are here. We can listen to you anytime.
Siguro sa katong na nagtanaw or nagpaminaw na idasit ka nang sa situation nga feeling nila kanang alone sila, walay nakasabot nila, naay tawag paglaom hotline na pwede ra jud nila tawagan 24/7. Ang mga responders is andam ra jud maminaw sa ilaha without kanang judgment, and mosabot sa ilaha, and then i-rest assured lang jud na kana ang calls is confidential gud siya. So namang ko iban kanang mabalaka gali na kanang makuyawan sila matawag kay what if kanang dili siya confidential. So ang tibuok call is confidential siya.
Okay. We'd like to thank, of course, Joey, Mia, and Tina. You're doing a great job. You will remain unsung, so to speak. But I'm sure if there is a God, and surely there is a God, you're doing a great task in His behalf. So thank you very much for those you have helped. And Dr. Obra, unsay mga numbers nato nga pwede nilang tawagan?
Yes, natay mga numbers atong tawag paglaom sa Sun ug Smart. Anyway, i-project man ni nato. 0939
Uh-huh.
937 5433. And another number is 0939 936 5433. Nya sa Globe TM natay 0927 654 1629. So hinaut ko nga dili mo magpanuko sa pagdial na this is 24/7. Meaning, any time of the day, munawag mo na ay mga responders. Ang akong parting words is, life is too short. Do not make it shorter. And one of the commandments of God is, thou shalt not kill. Suicide is an introverted murder. Do not complain. After all, you are still above others.
Well, with that, we'd like to thank, of course, Dr. Rene Obra for nahinayon na gyud ang atong kasabutan nga kuan mahatagan og kuan ang unay ito gamay nga pagdungog ang mga tawo nga nagtago sa likod sa kuan no sa kangitngitan. Pero sila mo'y suga og paglaom sa mga taong kinahanglan og suga og paglaom. Yes.
Napo ko'y pahabol, Eric. Gisign na ni President Duterte ang atong mental health law. So there is no health without mental health. It doesn't mean that if you go to Dr. Obra, who is a psychiatrist, you are already insane or psychotic or nabuang. No. Mental health is part of the person's being healthy. No, so no one can claim that you are healthy if you are not mentally sound. So, hinaut ko nga nakahatag mig pagtulunan or informasyon sa tanan. And we have people who are very much willing to help any time of the day, 24/7, the tawag paglaom.
Okay, thank you very much. Personally, I'd like to thank all of you for giving us a chance to be able to interview and talk to you. Hinaut-unta ka na itong programa makatabang sad sa uban pa mga taong kinahanglan og kanabang mahilakan o nabay dunggan nga maminaw sa ilang mga aligot-got sa kinabuhi. So, wala na po tayong panahon. Ako po si Eric Espina, palaging nagsasabi, magmasid, makialam, higit sa lahat ay manindigan. Dahil wala pong magmamahal sa Pilipino kung hindi ang Pilipino. Daghang salamat, maayong gabi kaninyong.